Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. Today we have a get ready with me doctor appointment edition, and honestly I couldn't care less how my doctor sees me or anyone when I go out. I do it for myself because I want to feel good about myself. You know, when I go out and about, I want to feel sexy, I want to feel powerful, I want to feel sexy, I want to feel good about myself. So if you're wearing makeup for other purposes and you are not doing it just for you to feel good and to look good, girl, let me tell you, you're doing it completely wrong. Okay? Anyway, let's jump into it. So I already took a shower, I washed my hair, and I already did all of this. I'm going to insert little clips of me brushing my teeth, cleaning my face. Anyway, I also did my skincare, and I'm going to do a little bit of makeup. Honestly, as I said in the intro, I couldn't care less how others see me. Like, I couldn't care less, but I want to feel good about myself because I know I get anxious and my face gets red, my chest gets red. So I want to have a little bit of makeup on my face because I don't want to look like a tomato when I'm out and about. Anxiety is getting bad, especially when I'm going to my doctor's appointment. And by the way, I haven't said this in the intro, but if you follow me, you know that I got a boob done and things are not looking great for me. Let me bring you a little bit closer because we are real friends here, okay? I'm showing you the real deal. I want you to be close to see everything. So I'm going with the Catrice Grip and Last Putty Primer. So I'm focusing this mostly on my fine lines and wrinkles because that's where foundation likes to gather and it looks bad. Like, I don't have large pores. Texture, I don't have texture anymore, but I do have wrinkles and fine lines because the bitch is not taking care of her skin. Okay, that's enough TMI. Okay, now that I blurred my entire face with that primer, I'm using the Shiseido foundation. You guys, I need another one because I'm running low on this. This is my discover of the year, and what's funny is when I did my first impression on it, I wasn't impressed. Okay. Honestly, I'm not excited about this meeting with my newest surgeon because they are shady AF. I regret getting my surgery done by them because they are the shadiest people I encounter in my life. I do not recommend Dorsia. If you live in Spain, no vayas a Dorsia. No vayas, no vayas. Búscate otra cosa, pero no vayas a Dorsia. Okay, at least not Dorsia Reus. No vayas. You should listen when I say don't go there, okay? I made several complaints, but I haven't got any, like, no one got back to me to answer to my complaint. Shady doesn't describe how shady they really are. Worst people I ever encountered in my fucking life. So that's why I'm getting anxious when I go there, because I'm getting on my nerves. I don't want to create a scene. I'm an educated lady, okay? So I like to keep it calm, but on the inside I'm freaking boiling. I'm boiling. I'm like a volcano. So when I erupt, run. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way I move or feel. Anyway, I'm doing a little bit of cream contour. I'm using the Milk makeup in the shade Baked. Honestly, why does this look this dark on me? Must be love on the brain. Concealer. But he fucks me so good and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Girl, I think it's a 2 more, not love. As you can see, I don't have my long nails. I do miss them, but I am kind of lazy to put them on. I do press on, so that's where I'm at right now. If you have dry under eyes, this is your friend. This is your friend, okay? Serial killer. Powder. I'm going to set my under eyes, smile lines, and forehead. Blush. This is the Pierre in amaretto. You guys, I love this one. It looks so freaking natural on the skin. I don't like the fact that it comes in loose form and it's super muscular, but I love the shade and how it looks on the skin. This is a mineral blush, by the way. I love you till the end of time. I'm the only one who can't freaking remember the lyrics. Like, I need to see them written to sing them at the same time, and maybe my brain will remember them. Okay, next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and you already know I'm going to use the NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen. I love this. I just love it. I just love it. That's it. I love it. Okay, I love it. I'm going to use just a little bit of this butter bronze. I forgot the name. And I'm using an angled brush like this, and I'm like slowly tapping in it. Slowly tapping it. Noise. As for my eyes, you guys, I'm going to use the Revolution Forever Flawless Decadent eyeshadow palette because that's what I have here. I have these two as well, but they are brand new. I don't want to open them. If you guys want me to film a first impressions on them, just let me know and I will do it. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. I just did a first impression on it. If you haven't watched that, go watch it now. So I'm going to do something quick. I honestly don't want to do much on my eyes because I'm not in a mood, but I want to do something, you know, like I don't want to do much, but I want to do something. So okay, honestly, this looks beautiful without the fake lashes, but love me some drama on my eyes. I wish I had some individual lashes, like I would had applied them at the end of my eye to kinda achieve that cat eye effect, but it's fine, it's wholly fine. I know I said I'm going to apply a little bit of makeup, and look at me now, full glam. So this is the BFF lip liner. Yeah. I'm going to straighten my hair real quick and come back. Okay, so I just finished curling my hair. I still need to lose the curls a little bit, like to open them. I put this denim shirt on. I still need to change my pants because I'm having my homeware pants. But I'm going to do that a little bit later because right now is a little bit early for me to change. Okay, for lip gloss, I think I'm going to go with this one from Makeup Revolution. I bought with the eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to apply just a little bit because this is like way too shiny. This is the Shimmer Balm lip gloss with vitamin E in the shade Glimmer. And you guys, it did this thing in my other video as well. Like, what the fuck is this? Can someone explain? Oh, it smells so freaking sweet. It smells like dulce de leche or caramel. So there you have it, my beautiful people. Get ready with me, doctor appointment or clinic appointment, whatever appointment do I have. Let me know what do you think. This is like a soft glam makeup. I know I said in the beginning I don't want to do too much, but look at me doing a full face of makeup for no reason. But as I said, I'm doing it for me. I want to feel good about myself, like when I'm out and about in public. I'm an awkward person, okay? So, yeah, if I know I have makeup on, I don't feel that awkward, if that makes any sense. I know it doesn't, but I really hope there's like one person out there watching this video relating to what I'm saying right now. That would be amazing for me, because I mean, I know there's weird people out there, you know, I'm not the only one, but if I know that I have makeup on, I don't feel that awkward, if that makes any sense. And as I said, if you are doing your makeup for any other reasons besides for you to feel good, to have makeup on and to feel beautiful and sexy and whatever, you are doing it wrong. Take a seat, look in the mirror without any makeup and look at yourself and accept this beautiful and natural version of yourself. You need acceptance, okay? And then when you go and apply makeup on top, you are just enhancing what's already there. And do it just because you love yourself. Do it for you. Do it because you want to feel powerful. You want to feel like a bad bitch. You just want to feel fearless. I know there's people out there that don't need makeup, but that's just how I am. That's how my brain works. So yeah, if you are applying makeup for someone else or for people around you to like you, you are doing it wrong. As I said, have a moment with yourself and just accept this natural beauty that's already there. It's already there, trust me. So there you have it, my beautiful people. I really hope you enjoyed this get ready with me makeup tutorial, motivational speech moment. I honestly love a positive quote message I see online. I take it. It's mine. If I see it, it means that it's for me, okay? Anyway, so yeah, let me know what you think down below. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Because YouTube says most of my viewers are not subscribed. I totally get it. You don't like me. I know you don't like me. What? No, say no more, say no more. I already know the truth. You don't like me? It's okay. It's okay. I'm just kidding. You need to subscribe now, okay? Hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video on my channel, and let's be friends, okay? Let's be friends. I would love to have you around. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. As I said, take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!